So these AI Stormtrooper vlogs are going mega viral right now, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can create your very own. And on top of this, I'm going to show you my prompting strategy and how you can edit these videos. Now, of course, I'm going to show you the Stormtrooper vlog style, but you're not just limited to this. You can also create BigFoot vlogs.
Yo, what's good, fam? It's your boy BigFoot back at it again.
Or Mandalorian vlogs.
What's up, guys? We have returned to our planet, and it's not quite easy to rebuild everything, but we're trying.
And I've even seen Squid Game ones, which is pretty cool.
Okay, before I start teaching you how to create these videos, let me first show you a video that I created earlier with this video model.
Okay, so no one told me spacecraft maintenance would involve becoming a human ice sculpture.
A little help would be nice.
In this video, I'll create 2 AI videos, one for Stormtrooper and one for BigFoot, with just one simple AI tool. Are you ready? Let's start. Introducing aicut, a powerful video generator tool that can create viral short videos in minutes. It offers multiple features like fake text stories, Reddit stories, and much more. In this video, we're gonna focus on this AI video feature. So head over to this tool from the link in the description. So once you've signed in and chose the AI video feature, this page will pop up. Here we can write our own unique prompt. If you slide down, you'll see many ready templates you can use like BigFoot and others. But for this video, we're gonna make our own prompt. So let me show you my prompting structure to create these vlogs. And of course for this, we're going to use ChatGPT. To do this now, I made it super simple for you. All you have to do is head over to the description down below and you'll see something called simple instructions. So go ahead and copy that. And then we're going to paste that into ChatGPT, like this. And basically, these instructions are going to give it everything it needs to create a prompt for our Stormtrooper videos. So here you can see it says, write a short prompt for a Stormtrooper vlog. It should feel like a selfie-style video that captures a chaotic or funny moment in the Stormtrooper's day. Keep the tone casual and cinematic. And then we've added some guidelines. So here you can see the Stormtrooper should always be wearing its helmet. The prompt should describe a short scene for about 8 seconds, because that's what aicut generates, up to 8 seconds. And we've got a few more instructions here. And then here we've added create, a new prompt for a video generation of a Stormtrooper, but keep it similar to this. So this is essentially the prompt that we're going to be using. Now if we go ahead and click on enter, it's now going to give us a prompt like this, which can go ahead and paste straight into aicut. Now this prompt shall do, but aicut has an amazing feature where you can enhance your prompt to make it almost perfect. As you can see, it gave it more specific details and instructions. Now scroll down, and as you can see, the Veo 3 model offers 3 different options: fast, pro, and regular. I will choose the regular since it takes less tokens, but still with high efficiency. Now here is something that I really like about aicut, that you can choose the aspect ratio for the video, unlike other tools. Finally, all that's left is to click on Create Video. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes to finish the video, so I will skip and show you the final results.
I was just trying to get lunch. Pretty sure that droid's got my sandwich.
Amazing, right? I mean, wow, just how far have we become so that we can make a video like that in minutes with just AI? Now for the sake of the video, I will do a video for BigFoot, since BigFoot vlogs are getting extremely viral these past couple of days. For this, we will do the same steps as before. I'll put a prompt template in the description for BigFoot. Just simply paste it into ChatGPT and tell it to make a funny stories. As you see, ChatGPT generated an entire prompt with details. Check the prompt. See if ChatGPT's script for video is good. If not, you can give a story that you think will be funny and attract audience. Now simply copy-paste the prompt into aicut. Then make sure you put the right Veo 3 model for this. Next, choose your aspect ratio for the video. Finally, click on Create. As before, it will take a couple of minutes to create, so I will skip and show you the final video.
This is Nibbles. I found him shivering by the creek, and now look at us, we're basically soulmates already.
Guys, this is a gem. Really, you can create whatever video you want. You just need a simple prompt, and I'm providing you this prompt, so basically, you don't need anything. Yes guys, this is about it for the video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification for future video. Comment down below some AI tool you want me to explore and show you how to make money with it. That's about it. I'm leaving.